Y'all about to leave now?
Yeah.
How? And the makeup art's still in there.
She going in up her stuff, you know?
Oh, we gotta go.
You can at least put this stuff in my purse.
Huh?
You know what?
Hey, I'm all recorded too.
Don't do anything stupid, you guys, okay?
Alright. Yeah,
Only got 3 hours to go, we go.
I was saying, like, we don't get 30 hours.
Live everywhere.
What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, I just got a job.
What you telling us
Yeah, I got my boys up there.
Hey, y'all boys better glide on in there. Glide.
Yes. I gotta wait till I get outside. Yeah, welcome to the channel, everybody. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all go subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video below. Now today is finally wedding day. Finally. Ready to get this thing over. We about to leave the hotel, so now we got errands we gotta run today too. Errands. Oh, it's all dark. Wait till we got outside.
Sound like we dark.
Alright. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure if y'all are new, make sure y'all go below, subscribe to the channel, like this video. Well, today is the day after wedding day. And I must say, everything went pretty good yesterday. The only reason I didn't record a lot is because there was way too much going on. There's a lot of music playing. I wasn't trying to get copyrighted again. But it was like way too much going on. I didn't even have time to hold my camera. I had so much to do. I got to the venue 6 hours before anybody. I had stuff to put up. I had to make sure stuff was right. All that good stuff. But in all, we enjoyed it. Enjoyed that day. Later on today, we're gonna talk to y'all about what we liked and didn't like, and just little lessons learned for everybody that's getting married. So we about to get up out of here. We leaving the hotel. We stayed in a hotel in our hometown. Because of COVID, we couldn't really go anywhere. So we decided to get a hotel room for the night. Yeah, man. That's about to be my trademark, y'all. Yeah, man. We're gonna go visit her mom's grave with her family. So, let me get this cold start for y'all right quick. As she walks over here, I don't know what she's doing. I told her I was gonna come get her. Let me get this cold start for you. We're gonna get on our way. Say here our followers. They can't even see you. Say hey.
Y'all, I'm so glad the wedding is over. It's over. It's done.
Yes. Yeah, we got a highlight video and everything coming up soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. But later on today, we're gonna talk about things that we liked and what we will. So we gotta go run some errands. We're gonna see y'all in a minute. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we're now at the storage unit. This is the worst part about after a wedding. The cleanup and the put away. We also got a dresser we're trying to get rid of in here. It's like this cherry red. If I can get some on camera. It's kind of deep in our storage, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it on camera, but if we can, I'm gonna show you. Man. So much stuff to put away. She want to be a strong person today. She decided she want to be the strong person today, y'all.
I'm always strong today. I don't know why you talking stuff.
Shoot up. Okay, course. Man, 2 bags. Fabric for the pergola. We about to start renting that out soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna give her the camera so she can don't get our number in the
You can edit the number out.
a lot of work.
This is our storage. Has all of our house stuff.
Yep.
Which will probably be in the house like next month.
Yeah. Okay, so I showed y'all we probably could have showed y'all the whatchamacallit, the dresser that we're trying to get rid of, but ain't gonna happen today. So
We just here to put this stuff back for the wedding. We haven't even eaten yet. I'm hot, I'm hungry, and I'm tired, babe.
I know we're gonna go eat after this.
Y'all, Malik can literally, he can do anything on nothing. So he can play a whole football game without eating all day. What you say?
God, they can tell if I do that.
Nah, but literally he could probably go to 5 o'clock in the afternoon without eating and then eat a whole big meal and be okay.
Yes.
And then snack the rest of the night. I can't. I have to have breakfast. And it's 12 now and I'm starting to get hangry.
Y'all see that perfect stuff? Right there.
It wasn't perfect.
It's right there in the back.
Y'all, this thing is so deep. Y'all have no idea.
See if I can get the other one right next. Come on, man. I do this. Come on. All right, this gonna be the tough part.
He do this and be lazy. That's what he do.
Yeah, but I ain't trying to really.
Y'all, it's the laziness in him.
I can kind of show y'all a little bit. This is the dresser right here. See a little bit of it. It has a whole lot of drawers and it got a mirror to go on top. So if y'all interested in that, let me know. Yeah, y'all can see the amount of stuff we got in here. But we're gonna be out of here soon.
Y'all, we even got the card he wrote me for our second Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
It was sweet. Y'all, but he wrote a whole, let me not let y'all see too much of my,
Yeah. I wrote all that.
He was so sweet back then. I don't know what happened, y'all.
I'm the sweetest person you know. Well, not like that. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, you're not the sweetest person I know. You can be sweet sometimes. Most days, you're not.
Anyway, y'all. Alright, we're done here. So, we about to go eat. And we got a few more stuff we got to make today. But sorry y'all can't see my face because it's mandatory that we wear the mask in here. Make sure y'all go follow my. Make sure y'all go follow my Facebook page. LIKS Vision Photography. Make sure y'all go follow that. Alright. catch y'all on the next stop. Well, we're gonna go eat. Y'all ain't gonna see that. Then we gotta make some other stops. All right, see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. We just left my mother-in-law's grave. We didn't film that because that's obviously a private moment just for family. So we about to go in here to California, Germany to eat with the family. Yeah. And there's my beautiful wife over there.
Y'all, I'm nervous. This is my first time eating out.
Yeah, this is the first time we ate out since the COVID-19 thing. So we about to go in here and see how this goes.
I'm nervous.
I am too, low key. But we gonna see. Make sure y'all stay tuned for later too, cause we gonna tell y'all some stuff that we liked and didn't like from the wedding. So just little notes that we seen. But we about to go in here and grow up. So I'll let y'all in a second. That's it.
Bye-bye. Let's go back to the channel. And Daddy is talking. Yeah, what is this?
But yeah, like you said, welcome back. Today is now Monday. Sorry we weren't able to finish up the video yesterday. We had a lot of stuff come up. But dude, back up. Yeah, a lot of stuff come up. But I'm gonna give y'all a couple things about the wedding day. It was fun. It was fun overall. Don't get me wrong. But see me? Okay. But see me, I have OCD. So I have slight OCD. So small stuff, like small little details, will really get on my nerves. Like my wife would tell you, like on our mail card there was a misspelling. I caught it within the first 3 seconds looking at the paper. Then I didn't even want it in front of me at the sweethearts table, or whatever it's called. But yeah, because if I keep looking at it, I'm gonna really get mad. Because I'm paying money for a service and I want everything to be right, correct, and perfect. But there's also another misspelling. They spelled my sister's name wrong on her VIP card. Stop! Anyway, we are here at storage because we got to switch some stuff out that we didn't mean to bring here, and we got to take some stuff back. There's a couple of our pictures that we're going to save for when we get our place. We're going to put them up on the wall. My beautiful wife in her dress from her shoot. Yeah. But yeah, man. So I'm going to just wait till later on in the week for my wife to give y'all some stuff. We might just do that as our story time this week. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Also, we got a giveaway coming up. Make sure y'all tell your friends to subscribe. He ran over and took it out of my hand. But yeah, like I was saying, we got a giveaway coming up, so make sure everybody tell somebody to subscribe. You might be a lucky winner, you never know. We're gonna do it on Facebook Live, and it's gonna be fair. No favoritism. We're gonna put the names in the generator, and whatever happens, happens. You have to be a subscriber though. That's the only rule. You gotta be a subscriber. And we will check. Now pull it up. My little helper. But alright, we about to get out of here because I gotta hurry up and get all this stuff out, and I gotta take him to his aunt's house, and then I gotta head to work because I got another errand I gotta run. I gotta drop the tuxes off. So we about to close this thing out. Okay, anything you wanna say? Anything you wanna say? Yeah. Say see y'all next time.
Yeah, next time.
Tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Alright. And tell them to like the video.
Like the video.
Alright. Y'all heard them. Make sure y'all practice social distancing. Stay safe. Protect one another. Be motivated to achieve your dreams. Because that's what we doing.
Hey, this is good.
But yeah, we about to get out of here. Me and Kay right here. Come here. Me and Kay right here. We about to get out of here. Alright? Say peace.
Peace.
All right, we out. See y'all next time.
See you next time.